At the top of each worksheet, there are arrows showing you how your pencil will flow. We recommend using your finger to imitate these motions a couple times in order to feel more comfortable before you start writing. And try that one more time. Use your finger to trace the letter. Now we will get started writing the capital cursive letter A. Make sure you're holding your pencil correctly. Start at the top of your paper, come down to the bottom line, back up, connect, and then down into a tail. Again, start at the very top line, circle down, touch the bottom line, connect, and then down into a tail. Continue copying until you feel comfortable making these motions, and then try it yourself at the end of the paper where there are no dotted lines. And once you're comfortable, you can move down to begin practicing the cursive letter A lowercase. This letter is very much like the capital letter. You start at the middle line, circle down, touch the bottom, come down, and then form a tail. As you circle, make sure you connect so that way your A is legible. Once you're comfortable, you can practice it yourself without the dotted lines. Now at the bottom of our worksheet, we will practice writing the cursive letter A attached to a word. And again, we'll write the lowercase a as attached to the word apple.